guys, so today I decided I would like to go out and see what new home decor is in. And so our first stop is the Habitat for Humanity Restore. If you are looking for photo frames, this is a good place to look. So you can get a really large frame for a very low cost and just replace the picture and you have new wall art. So there was not a lot of stuff at the thrift store, as you guys could tell, but I was able to find these really neat candle holders. I absolutely love them. I don't know, they look sort of mid-century modern to me with the shape of the actual part that holds the candle. I absolutely love them. So even though we did not find a lot, what I was able to find, I really love them. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video and come thrift with me. I love how they are styled here on my mantle here in the lounge. So if you have enjoyed today's content and you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, and I hope it inspires you to think outside the box and go thrifting for yourself. So until next time, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.